I got this Elite Gourmet machine to make, for my Airbnb, to make coffees, right? But I usually like to make Spanish coffee. And if you fill it up, this is tiny enough, right? And if I compare this with my regular coffee maker, which is this one that I use to make the Spanish coffee, and that is the same size. And I put the water here. This is great. Put the water here, coffee here, and look how the coffee comes out. Just like the coffee I make, the regular coffee. If I want it stronger or I want it lighter, it depends on what type, how many spoons of coffee I put here. But this is perfect. I love it. It's tiny. And it's great for because I have tiny Airbnbs. Okay, here is my Elite Gourmet. Okay, here's an outlet. Plugging it into the outlet. Okay, gonna add a little bit of water into the container. Set it up there to hold. And when I hit the button, nothing happens. No light comes on. It feels very soft and squishy. So I don't know what has happened, but it gets no power. And nothing happens. Working outlet.
I received this on March the 7th. The send-back window closed on April the 6th, of course. Today is April 19th. Look at the side. It looks like I've been using this cup for years. I mean, it's just, all the shine's worn off. And it's just from holding the cup and just washing it. Anyway, so today this wonderful thing happened. Ta-da! I was just lucky that it happened while I was washing the cup. Because imagine if I'd have just been taking a sip. Don't buy this.
I just unboxed this Elite Gourmet single cup coffee machine that I got from my office. It's a replacement for the same model with a faulty switch. It's plugged, and guess what? Faulty switch again. A green light is supposed to turn on right there, and nothing happens. And guess what? It's hot to the touch. So this is a fire hazard. I hope you see this video and stay away from this. It's going back.
Called Blueberry Wild Child. It's a tea. You pour your water in here. 1 cup. I use the same cup that came with it. Turn it down. Turn it on with the power button. And once it's finished brewing, it's nice and warm. It's not super hot, but it's nice and warm.
Snow rings. Let me turn the light on. Seeds rings on the lid, fake. Snow rings to connect inside the cup. So just, what is this? What is this? They know they died wrong. My content spilled everywhere on the carpet. Couldn't believe it.
Okay, this is a real quick review of this little coffee maker. As you can see, I have already made a cup of coffee. It comes with this little travel mug. The big thing about it is it's full of coffee right now and it don't leak. So I would say for 19 bucks or 20 bucks, you can't go wrong. It's perfect. It's very small. I think it'd be perfect for taking with you on trips so that you always had coffee when you needed it.
I don't know why, but it's leaking everywhere, and none of it seems to be going in here. This is broken. Super loud and super messy.
Doesn't do anything. Does not make the light. I think it says a multiple light, but nothing. So it happens broken.
Trash.
Lo que se busca es que la policía recupere este vehículo y se pongan en contacto con él para que pueda